change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet.
Hey guys, so I'm in the middle of packing for Star Wars Rival Weekend, and I thought it might be helpful to do a video on what I pack for runDisney race and which carry-on I use and all that. So I'm trying something different today with a carry-on I've never used before because I just can't. I'm addicted to my Minnie Mouse American Tourister. I've had that for 2 years now, and I love that because it holds a lot, but sometimes they check it. So I am trying a smaller one behind me. It is very cheerful. It's the Calpac Oh Joy collection. I got it at Nordstrom about a year ago. I think Nordstrom Rack, I saw it online for like $90 there now, and so you can't beat that price because I paid a lot more. So hi, but I figure I gotta use it. It's just sitting around the house. It is a cheap plastic hard case, which I've never used before, so I'm trying it out. I'm gonna see if I can fit everything in there and take it with me, because I'm only doing one race this weekend and I'm only at Disney for a short period of time, so why not just try it? Why do I need a big luggage? You know, I got my check luggage. But here are some helpful tips. Print your waiver ahead of time for your races this weekend and have it with you. It will help. You won't have to do it on the computer there or wait in line, so that will help. Have your ID with you in a secure spot. I like to sometimes put in the little Disney pin pouches. Let me get that for you. You can get at Disneyland, Disney World, and it's attached to a string, so sometimes I bring that with me to wear around the expo. I don't have to get my wallet out, you know. So yeah, let's get started. I hope this helps. So first off, I have this Minnie Mouse bag I got at Disney World like a year or two ago. I love it for expo, so thank you Laura for the suggestion. I saw her use it at some runDisney races and I knew I had to have one, and it helps because you can put your waiver in here and be organized, and then it helps because you can put all your shirt bag and things you buy at the expo in there. So that's on top. So I have my Eagle Creek shoe bag upside down with my sneakers for the half marathon. I have my deodorant just in there for now. Next, we have my little shoes for an outfit change after I get down to Florida. Heather was so sweet, and at Wine and Dine she made me this metal holder, and it is just gorgeous. I love the fabric, and it's adorable. And then you open this one up, and it has a divider right here, so you can put two medals in there, and it's a soft fabric to keep them from scratching, so it's perfect. And then you can just tie it up and lay it in here to make sure your medal comes home with you. Don't put it in checked luggage. So I'm just gonna set it over here for now. Put my shoe things. I love these shoe covers from Eagle Creek. I mean, I'm addicted to Container Store, so. Next, we have this Eagle Creek. This one's not compression, it's just like a loose fitting one. And I usually just put my jean jacket in there, and it's heavy, so I'd rather have it in carry-on than put that weight towards checked luggage. And we're just gonna slide our shoes back down there and put this in here. And then this little clear pouch comes with it. I like to keep this deodorant wipes from Pacifica. You can get this at Target, and it smells really nice. I love to just bring this in my bag that I'm going into the parks with to just freshen up throughout the day, especially if it's hot. You're gonna need it. Then we have my contacts, and I am a germaphobe, so I have these little Kleenex wet wipes, germ removal. These are a good idea to bring on the race if you can't wash your hands or you just want clean hands before eating something, if you were giving high fives, stuff like that. So helps prevent sickness. Okay, put that back. And let me do this. Now we are on the other side of the suitcase, and on top you have a zipper. I like to keep my nutrition for the race. So I have my nutrition in there, which is my goo birthday cake. Oh, if you have not tried that flavor yet, it is delicious. And I have my jelly beans, sport beans, because I never know what I'm going to feel like. I usually take for a half marathon 2, sometimes 3. But I like to switch it up, so we'll see. We have those. We also have my little Stormtrooper magic band wrap thing to put on when I get there. And I love these from Walmart, I believe, is the only place I can find them. Target used to sell them. Can't find them at my Targets anymore. I know Amazon, you can check on there. It's from Village Naturals Therapy. And it is aches, pains, muscle relief. It's just Epsom salt for a bath to help with joint pain. And this is nighttime relief, but it's the same thing, you know. So I love to bring some of those for Disney race weekends because they do help. And you use the whole bag, and oh, this brand really does work. So I highly suggest that. Under that zipper compartment, we have 2 shoe things, which I find you can't really do anything unless they're flip-flops, because then it goes into here and it bulges out. That's why I have those 2 shoe things over on this side, not in here. But in this one, I have another must for Run Disney weekends. I have my H2O Targeted Care, the foot rub, and oh my goodness, this helps your feet so much. So highly recommend getting some of those when you're at Disney. So I just stuck that in there. So why not? Then in the other one, I normally bring my container for my earbuds, but it's too boxy and takes up too much space. So we're just gonna bring the earbuds itself, and then I put the charger with other things. So I'm keeping it in here for now. We are just unzipping that section, and we unzip the top. So we are gonna lift that over, and you're gonna want to make sure that zipper pocket's zipped when you do that, because everything will fall out. So in here I like to put my little bags because I tend to think these are heavier, so having this separate the 2 helps. So this is my bag for jewelry. Once I am all packed, I like to bring that on carry-on with me. Then we have my stretching strap. In here we have just the Eagle Creek packet system. Different sunglasses are down there just to protect them. So I like to put them there. Next I'll have this little bag. I got this down at Universal, I think in 2016, when my company took us on a trip down there. And I just love these little travel bags. As you can't tell already, I'm just a bagaholic. So I got all my chargers and microphone and things like that I need in here. I'll close it in a minute. And then we got my little Vera Bradley makeup bag that I got in January, but this can double as a other bag. So right now I have my charger for the earbuds. This will probably be going on the plane with me, just my iPhone earbuds. Then I have my Garmin charger. And once I pack my Apple Watch charger, will go in here too. I have my knee strap that I have to wear for my knee. I have this from Rinse, and I know Disneyland has them. I'm not sure if you can still get this at Disney World. It's the Peppa Foot Moisturizing Stick, and this really helps just rub it under your feet and on your toes, and it prevents blisters. I have my Garmin watch. I have my Body Glide, and I have just a plain Ziploc bag in there for some reason, and my bib boards from runDisney. So that all fits in here very nicely, and it's organized so I know where it is. Okay, moving along, I love these little pack systems from Amy's Small World. I got the alien ones and I've been addicted to them since. And let me tell you, Disney security, when you bring in these, they love them because they're clear. So it helps them out. Alright, I have my purple ears, my silver ears, and my race ears in here to protect them. So it's just going to go over there. I have my running outfits in here and a backup outfit. Just always have backups with you for running. You never know. And then I have my change of clothes to go with those shoes for when I get to Florida in here. So it's easy just to grab the bag and everything is in there that I need. So it's perfect. And how cute is that little pattern in there with the confetti stripes? It looks like Mickey Mouse's birthday. So it's perfect for that. So we're just going to put this back in. And I think I had that there. That stuff in there. Jewelry on top. This. And my sunglasses in there. And then it just folds back up. For running, you need a roller. So I love to bring my rolling sticks, either the trigger point one or I usually just bring this one because it's lightweight, the roller, range roller. Now I had this on my carry-on in January and TSA stopped and thought it was a weapon. So good to know. So they told me if I want to bring it next time, you have to check it. So anybody going to a runDisney or just a race in general, you think these would be carry-on, but just check the things. It's not worth them throwing it out and then you're out a roller. So just good information to know. Now, hydrating is important for me, so I love this from Amazing Grass Green Superfood, and it's the Hydrate. And these are the watermelon lime flavors. You just break a tablet, sort of like that. I've used a lot. I'm going to bring it on the plane and break a tablet in half and put it in the water bottle, and then it's just good to hydrate. And it will make your drink green and nasty at the end, but it doesn't taste that way. So trust me, I'm not losing my mind. I also have this from Amazon, Amazing Grass Green Superfood Detox and Digest. And this is clean greens. I love this with Tone It Up protein and almond milk in a blender bottle, and you just shake and there's a good meal for you. So I love having those. And I got this because I can bring little packets of it. So that's gonna go on with me. I'm debating on putting the blender bottle in here if it'll fit, or just putting it in my carry-on purse. So we'll see. If you're free on this Friday from 3 to 4:30, I would love for you to come to Disney Springs, probably by the House of Blues, to see Heather Jurgensen from Running with Grace. And she has a surprise to show you. And then we have Gerald Resnick from Res Runs. Ladies, you know you want to see him. He's very helpful if you haven't seen. Well, all these people are helpful with running tips and everything. So you'll want to definitely come talk to them. And then you have Jackie from Joyful Miles and myself. So we would love to see you. Leave a comment down below on what tips you find helpful and what you bring in your runDisney carry-on with you. Also, has TSA given you the same problem with those roller sticks? It's interesting, so I'm just thankful that they let me take it and told me next time they didn't take it from me. because those things aren't cheap. No, they aren't. Click subscribe and hit that notification bell. Stay up to date with the latest videos. Thanks for watching. It means a lot. Bye. See you at Star Wars.